morning, children. Myself, Anuradha Sinha, your maths teacher, is ready to begin your maths class. Children, in last Saturday we had our weekly test of maths, and already I have given you the marks. You all have done so very nicely. This is something what I am always expecting from you, that if you are in a regular habit of doing the work, if you are studying sincerely and regularly, then we can conduct test anytime. This was a test where prior information was given to you. आपको पहले से बताया गया था कि ये टेस्ट है और इसका पोर्शन क्या है, लेकिन आने वाले समय में ऐसा भी होगा कि मैं आपको ना टेस्ट का पोर्शन बताऊंगी और ना ये बताऊंगी कि टेस्ट किस दिन लेना है. मैं किसी भी दिन सरप्राइज टेस्ट लूँगी और उस चीज़ का लूँगी जो आप कर चुके हैं. सो बी रेडी फॉर दैट, एंड दिस यू कैन डू ओनली व्हेन इफ़ यू आर डूइंग द वर्क रेगुलरली. सो always be sincere in your work, not only in my work but in all the subjects that the teachers are teaching you. So what we are going to do today is we will continue with our chapter subtraction. Already we have learned how to subtract on abacus. Today we will learn more on subtraction. So let's start. First you will write classwork, then you will write today's date. After writing that, you will write the name of the chapter, subtraction, and then we will continue with the chapter. Today I am going to teach you subtraction with borrowing. How do you subtract with? How do you subtract when you need to borrow? Okay, so this you have to learn. But before that, this is something new, a new word. What is the meaning of borrowing? Okay, first understand that. Borrowing मतलब होता है जब आप किसी से उधार लेते हैं. आपके पास किसी चीज़ की कमी है या आपके पास वो चीज़ नहीं है, आप किसी दूसरे से वो चीज़ लेते हैं और अपना काम करते हैं और बाद में आप उसे रिटर्न कर देते हैं. उसे बोरो करना कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेनी अ टाइम्स इट हैपेंस दैट यू फॉरगेट टू ब्रिंग योर पेंसिल और योर इरेजर टू स्कूल. देन एट दैट टाइम व्हाट यू डू? You borrow from your friends and then you do your work in the school. तो ये borrow आप तब करते हैं जब आपके पास नहीं होता है. Subtraction में हम आज वही सीखेंगे. We will learn that only today in subtraction. Suppose there is one number, I am giving you the number and I have picked up the same number which is given in the example sum in your book, so that if you look at the book also you can understand it. 31 minus 6. This is the number. This is a two-digit number where 1 is at the ones place and 3 is at the tens place. And what we have to subtract from 31? 31 से क्या subtract करना है? 31 से 6 subtract करना है. 6 is a one-digit number. Now, how do we do it? अब कैसे करेंगे? Can we subtract 6 ones from 1 ones? 6 ones को हम 1 1 से क्या subtract कर सकते हैं? No, we can't, because 1 ones is small and 6 ones is greater. एक छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर को subtract नहीं किया जा सकता. So what we will do now? We will borrow 1 from here. It is 3 in the tens place. What we are doing? We are borrowing 1 from here, and now what is left here? 2 is left here. 2 means 2 tens is left, and we have borrowed 1 10. When we are borrowing from here, this is the place of 10. That means we are borrowing 1 10. जब हम इस जगह से बोरो कर रहे हैं, ये टेंस प्लेस का नंबर है, तो इसका मतलब हम यहाँ से 110 बोरो कर रहे हैं. वी आर बोरोइंग 110. 110 means what? 110 means this 10. Okay, 110 means 10. And when this is borrowed here, and this we are borrowing it and bringing it to this place. When we are bringing it to this place, this 110, this gets converted to 10 ones. We are bringing it here. अब यहाँ जब ये आ जाता है तब ये 10 ones बन जाता है. पहले से यहाँ पे कितना था? पहले से यहाँ 1 ones था और 10 ones आ गए. तो अब यहाँ टोटल कितने हो गए? 10 ones plus 1 ones. This is 11 ones here. यहाँ पर 11 ones हो गए हैं. अब 11 ones में से आपको क्या करना है? 6 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. 6 ones को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. You have to subtract 6 from 11 ones. So 11 minus 6 is 5. And the 2 that is left here, we will take 2 here. We will write it here. So what we have done here? We have borrowed. यहाँ पे जो 1 हमने लिया है, यहाँ पर जो 1 लेकर यहाँ हम आए हैं, 110 को कैरी यहाँ पे बोरो करके लाए हैं. मीन्स हमने यहाँ से उधार लिया है, 1 को यहाँ पे बोरो किया है. ओके, once again understand that at this place 1 ones में से 6 ones को subtract नहीं किया जा सकता है, because 1 ones is small, 6 ones is greater. So we have borrowed 110 from here and we bring it here. 110 means 10 ones. 110 जब यहाँ आ जाता है, that means वो 10 ones, ये ones की जगह पे इसे लाना है. तो 110 यहाँ आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? 10 ones हो जाएगा. 110 मतलब क्या होता है? 110, एक 10. This is 110. अब एक 10 में कितने ones होते हैं? एक 10 में 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. एक 10 में 10 ones होते हैं. So we have brought 10 ones here. 10 ones और पहले से यहाँ पे 1 ones था. So 10 ones plus 1 is 11 ones. अब यहाँ पर 11 ones है. 11 ones में से we have subtracted 6 ones and this is the answer that we have got. This is first example that I have explained here. In the same way I will explain you a second example, okay, so that you understand it in much more better way. So we have got the first number as 43. 43 where 3 is at the ones place and 4 is at the tens place. It is a 2-digit number and we have to subtract 5 from it. 5 is a 1-digit number. Now see here, can we subtract 5 ones from 3 ones? 5 ones से क्या 3 ones subtract कर सकते हैं? No, because again 3 ones is a smaller number and 5 ones is a bigger number. So we will borrow 1 from here. And when we will borrow 1 from here, we will bring 1 here. You can see there is one box also. I have not shown the box here. You can use it. If necessary, you can use it. That will be better. So what we do? We have borrowed 1 here. And what is left now? Here is 3 left. So now when we have borrowed 110, that means we have borrowed here 10 ones. 110 is equal to how much? 110 is equal to 10 ones. 110 कितने ones के बराबर होता है? एक 10 में कितने ones होते हैं? एक 10 में 10 ones होते हैं. अभी मैंने आपको यहाँ दिखाया था कि एक 10 में कितने ones होते हैं? एक 10 में 10 ones होते हैं. So here we are having 10 ones. 10 ones and plus these 3 ones. 10 plus 3 is how much? 10 plus 3 is 13. So we are having 13 ones and we have to subtract 5 from 13 ones. When we subtract 5 from 13, we get 8. And here 3 is left. No number is below this, so we don't have to subtract anything from here. So here we will simply write here 3. That is 38. So this is how you are going to do all the remaining sums. Okay. So I am giving you few more sums. 2 sums already I have given you. Number 1, number 2. I will give you 3 more sums, and then I will see that how well you are doing it. The way you give me the answer, I will come to know that whether you have understood it or not. अगर आप सही करके भेज रहे हैं मुझे, तब मुझे लगेगा कि आप समझ गए हैं, और अगर आप गलत कर रहे हैं तब मुझे ये पता चल जाएगा कि आपने नहीं समझा है. So do it very nicely and then submit it to me. Let me see how my children are doing. So total I have given you 5 sums, 2 example sums I have explained you, and 3, 4, 5 I have given you to do it now. Do the work and then send it to me. Let me see how you are doing it. Thank you.